Have you ever wondered about the cosmic powers of the esteemed Denman brush? Well, I have, and I'm going to put it to the test today. I'm going to test half of my hair finger coiling and half of my hair using the Denman brush, and we'll see if it's really all it's cracked up to be. If we have not met, my name is Bree True, and I make curly hair videos specifically for wavy curlies. So if you are also a wavy curly interested in using the Denman brush, or if you are just interested in whether the Denman brush really is better than finger coiling, then keep watching. I'm very excited. Let's do it. Alright, so I'm going to part my hair down the center. Right now I'm just making sure my hair is wet enough, not dripping, but definitely on the verge of dripping wet hair is how I like it to be when I style. And I'm going in with my first product. I'm going to be using Cantu today. So this is their Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. I generally use praying hands to apply my products, but then when I am doing the cream product, I will often rake through my hair as well. And then I'm going to separate out this very, very top layer because I like to do that separately. The way I like to finger coil, I take my section, I usually wrap it around my middle finger, and I start twisting the direction that my hair likes to naturally go, which is towards my face, and then I drop it. And I try usually not to look at it too much because if you take a section and you just kind of feel, it's easier to feel what sections of hair like to clump together naturally. So like that piece, that's too big on its own. I could feel it kind of trying to separate, so I'm going to separate it and then finger coil it. And then I'm going to take my hands and just scrunch it. So then I'm going to take the small amount of Cantu gel that I have left, rub it in between my hands really good, and then do a slight praying hands and scrunch. This is transitioning at its finest. This part of my hair is beautiful, and this part is just losing it. I've been debating doing the big chop or not. What do you guys think? Normal trim or big chop? If you have experience with the big chop, please let me know if you thought it was good or if you regretted it. Please talk me out of it if it's a bad idea. Same thing, I'm going to separate the very top. Alright, so the way that I like to do it is my curls like to go in towards my face. So I put the brush, the part of the brush with the prongs, away from my face. It will make sense. So I go like this, and I pull it down the hair strand, and I start twisting about here, and I really twist at the end. And then I just grab it and shake it out. Alright, and then scrunching again. Alright, and then more gel. I think I am going to go diffuse for about 10 minutes and then let it finish air drying, and I will be back to show you the results and see which one does better. As usual, this experiment is so much more interesting than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh, look at this difference, guys. Like, what? Okay, if you need a reminder, this is the Denman brush side, and this is the finger coiled side. Which side do you like better? I'm honestly not sure. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you guys figure out if you would like to try styling with the Denman brush, or if you would like to try finger coiling. If you enjoyed watching this, please like it, subscribe down below, subscribe down below, subscribe down below. Oh my! Adios.
Adios.
Adios. See you next time.